way, my country people, it don't happen again, it don't bust. No be small thing, I know say most of una know this man, popular that the GO of Omelalepo, Ezeaku aka Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. He don't still come out again, no be small gbas. So my people, make una carry una joko, sit down. No be small matter. Before we go touch like this matter, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, my country people, no be smart, Mathias Ezeaku don't still come out again, on I not say Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, he don't come out for Christianity, pata, he don't boy in Bible, he say he not belong to Christianity again, say the way when Christianity they operate, say he not good, or say they be scam, say all this that the GO say that they scam people, not be smart, no let them they reach, say why people, the members, why they know they ask, say why they not rich, he can't say he not believe Nigeria past again, he not believe Christianity, say Christianity na scam. For inside this video now, he can they laugh, they laugh this lady so when carry Mary for bike. He say whether na this man is supposed to carry Mary, I been a Mary na is supposed to carry him. No be smart, may not come be say I too talk for inside this video. Make una regade.
You carry me when other people carry their God. Jesus, child. You care for me when other people care for their God. You carry me when other people carry their God. Jesus, you carry me when other people carry their God. Virgin Maria, you carry me when other people carry their God. You carry me when other people carry their God. You see, that is why I keep on telling you that anything coming out from Christians' mouth, from their tongue, are all lies. See, what is in this world? Either you know this or you didn't know this, or you didn't know it. Yes or no? That is what is ruling this world. I know this or I didn't know it. Okay? Now, these people has been lying, telling you that Jesus carried them, while other people carry their God. Because the agenda of Christianity is to fight other religion and conquer. That is all the agenda. They can never bring an agenda of development in Africa. All they want you to believe, to manipulate you to believe, to fight your ancestor, fight your own inherited way of life, fight your own inherited religion, make sure that Christianity conquer them so that you remain a slave forever. Now they told us that their Jesus carries them, while other people carry their God. Now what is happening here? What is happening here? The same people will come to tell you, say, you shall look upon the mountain. That is where your help will come from. What we have in this world, truth is one. If they ask you to go and look upon the mountain so that your help will come from mountain, kindly go to Ugunwasika or Uguaba. Any mountain around you, go and be looking at it. If your help did not come there, go and tear the verse of that Bible, burn it to ashes. It is lies. But they will come to manipulate you that it's not that type of mountain. Then, well, does that thing you are talking about, does it mean that that thing don't have name? As my name is Ejiofor, your name watching might be Obinna, Kelechi, Chukwu de Chukwu Ebuka, fine. You cannot use Ejiofor to say in spiritual realm Ejiofor is Emeka. Are we in spirit? Look at them. Everything Christianity are telling is lies. That is why when you are sick now, they will kill you. They will tell you that Jesus is a healer. He is a medical doctor. He has made a blind to see, cripple to walk. And I bet 1 million with a plot of land. Provide any crippled person, a blind person whom Jesus cured in your community. I will give you 1 million at the plot of land. That what about 6 to 7 million in Anambra State. So that you should stop praying for help, telling Jesus to bless you, give me money, give me this, or go out there and walk. You miss blessing. Your name is prosperity. The white men have created prosperity, success. Create your own success. Our ancestors did. They created a pot they are using to cook through common sense, not by prayer. They created the food we are eating today through common sense. Now, African black race don't have common sense again because they are reading lies from Bible. Bible told you that you shall march over scorpions and snake and they shall harm you not. Go and look for snake and match it. Then if it bites you, then you know, say that verse is a lie. You burn it to ashes. Then if this snake and scorpion did not harm you, now you enjoy it. iPhone is iPhone. You cannot call iPhone Techno. Or you call Techno Infinix. No. I'll be lying to you. Wake up. All these their gods are fake and rubbish. So please, go back to your roots. Come and join us in this movement where yes is yes and no is no, which is Omen and Abuz Yeso Kunando. Your own inherited way of life. You can never survive without it. Thank you. Share the video. I love you. Their God is as fake as. Look at him now carrying Virgin Maria, taking care of Virgin Maria. But tomorrow he will tell you that Virgin Maria is taking care of him. Virgin Maria is carrying him. Virgin Maria is protecting him. But you are the one protecting Virgin Maria. So as you need to be protected by a man, which is government. Without it, you are nothing. Christianity is scam and fraud. Wake up before that big river, because Christianity will swallow you. Share the video.
My country people, share on. I don't watch the video. No be smart, wait on. I think about this video. Make una live on our opinion. No be smart, you go to say you don't see finish. You don't know say you never see finish. Wahala be like bicycle. No be smart, I beg this laugh stop. No be smart. He say na the woman I they carry Mary. Why Mary not carry her? He say you carry me. I beg eh? Hello, won't laugh. My people, men are not mind me outside they laugh. Now waiting with the see for internet now. So we take the see as we the see we will come the drop out for you. Not be small matter, not be small thing. Okay, my people. Now now one for leave on. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you all. Guys, don't forget to share this video. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.